So the data shows roughly half of Americans have $0 saved for retirement, which is pretty crazy to think about considering they're already talking about cutting back on Social Security payments down the road, lengthening the age to receive your Social Security benefits, or if it's even going to be around in 20 to 30 years. But one reason I think that Americans tend to avoid investing and saving for retirement is because they overcomplicate it. They think it's some just complex thing you have to do, and you have to understand how to trade stocks and read financial reports, when in reality it's one of the most simple, easiest things you can ever do, especially in today's world. I tend to compare newbie investors to people that are just now starting on their fitness journey, and they say they hire a personal trainer. They expect the most complex exercise routine on the face of the earth. They expect to have a nutrition plan that counts every calorie, every gram of carb, fat, protein, when in all actuality, all you need is a few simple lifts: deadlift, bench, squat, walk and run a few times a week, and to just not eat fast food every day. And you're going to see significant results over a 6-month period. It's all about just keeping it simple, and that goes for investing as well. But as far as simple investing plans and financial plans, it's all about dollar cost averaging into the stock market. You want to be exposed to the overall stock market, which is basically the American economy. When it grows, the stock market grows. So in 2024, it is so easy to have exposure to the stock market, to invest for your retirement, and to just dollar cost average into the market. One of the apps that I use, and there's tons of them out there, is Acorns. I've used them for around 5 years, I believe. But Acorns, you start off picking your risk profile, how comfortable you are with market swings. So I'm pretty sure mine's the highest amount of risk, and I put $5 a day in it. You can choose your frequency. You can do weekly deposits, daily, I think every 2 weeks, what have you, up to a pretty good amount of money. And I don't have to think about it. And the main thing with that is I don't want to trade that money. I don't sell when I see the market tanking. I don't want to buy a bunch when it's up big. It takes the emotion out of investing, and you're basically in it for the long haul. Yes, you can make withdrawals, but you're not near as tempted as if you were to just go put 10 grand in Tesla or Nvidia stock. As we all know, it's better to not trade the market, not try to time the market, but have that time, have that exposure in the market, and also dollar cost average in. Buy when the market is down, and you buy when it goes up. You're dollar cost averaging in, and it's proven to work. So pretty much the whole point of this video is to encourage people not to overcomplicate investing. Like I said, 90% of stock traders don't meet the S&P 500 performance on a year-to-year basis, which is crazy to me, because the traders are actually working, spending their time, exposing their funds to more risk, having some trading fees every now and then. When you have people like myself that are just putting a few dollars a day in the market, and it's going to be fine. Yes, it has bad days. Yes, it has good days. But overall, I know in the long term, I'll be just fine. So investing and saving for retirement is one of the easiest things you can do. And I just really want to encourage people to just take a step back and not be influenced by the crypto traders, by the hot stock traders and things like that. It's very tempting. There's a lot of YouTube videos out there saying, hey, I made $1 billion this week trading Nvidia. But it's all about consistency. It's all about dollar cost averaging into the market. And it's not about timing the market. It's about your time in the market. I appreciate you watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.